Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how the alignment of planets can influence life on Earth? Today we're diving into the mesmerizing world of planetary alignments and their impact on us. First off, let's talk about what planetary alignment actually means. It's when two or more planets line up in the same region of the sky as seen from Earth. While these events might seem rare, they're not as uncommon as you think. Now, you might be asking, how does this affect us? Well, planetary alignments can have both subtle and significant impacts on Earth. One of the most famous examples is the alignment's effect on tides. When the Sun, Moon and Earth are aligned, we experience what's called a spring tide. These are higher and lower than normal tides, affecting coastal ecosystems and human activities. But the influence doesn't stop there. Some scientists believe that planetary alignments can affect seismic activity. The gravitational pull from these celestial bodies can create additional stress on Earth's tectonic plates, potentially triggering earthquakes. While the correlation isn't definitively proven, it's a fascinating area of ongoing research. Speaking of gravitational pull, let's touch upon how alignments affect space weather. When planets align, their combined gravitational forces can influence solar winds and cosmic radiation. This can lead to geomagnetic storms, which can disrupt satellite communications and even power grids on Earth. And let's not forget the cultural and historical significance of planetary alignments. Ancient civilizations often saw these events as omens or signs from the gods. They used alignments for everything from planting crops to making political decisions. Even today, some people believe that planetary alignments can influence human behavior and emotions. So, while planetary alignments might seem like distant celestial events, their impact reaches far and wide. They shape our tides, potentially influence earthquakes, affect space weather, and even have cultural significance. It's a reminder of how interconnected our world is with the cosmos. Next time you hear about an upcoming planetary alignment, take a moment to appreciate the incredible forces at play. Who knows what new discoveries await us in this fascinating field? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science content. See you next time.